Let's see if we can play, I don't have Straight Outta Nublin. That's the best album ever. Great, I'm all out of ideas. I know which one we can play. I gotta get my hype going here. I forgot. Get in the box! See if we can play this. This is my Xbox One CD player review. Why doesn't it... It doesn't understand Bird's mixtape. Well, that makes it completely and utterly useless. It's in the trash now. In fact, throw the whole case in there too. Don't need it. Garbage. Garbage product. But I got one more CD we gotta listen to here. It plays it, but it doesn't see it, so that means it's completely and utterly useless. In fact, we can put the whole Xbox in the trash. We can put the whole... I'm actually gonna put the whole Xbox in the trash. We gotta see if it'll play Xbox games. Brand new game. I think this is how... I think it's Modern Warfare 2. I don't know. Anyway, new game. Let's see if it'll play actual Xbox games. We gotta get out of this stupid thing, though. So, we got the game. We're gonna see if it plays. One last chance for the Xbox. It won't read any of my CDs. It'll only read one CD. I wanna see if it'll read games. It'll read... I think that's how it goes in. Nothing's on the screen. Oh, I think I know I did wrong. Get in there. Try and read this thing. Oh, great. Makes you do this every time. Really? Maybe it'll read this. No, I don't think it'll read that one. Oh. There's a cat. Let me put it on top of it, it'll read it. Forgot to paint it blue, so it might not work in the Blu-ray player. I got my movie on top of it. I think that's... Now it's definitely going in the trash. Actually, the most useless product I've bought. The Xbox is no good. It is now in the trash. It can't play anything. I just realized I wasn't as thorough as I really should have been. We really gotta judge this box for what it can actually do. So, boot it back up. Let's see if we can get a few more things to work. It can't play games, and it can't play movies, and it can't play music, but maybe it can do some other things. You know, maybe we can watch a little TV. I saw in here it's got this one guide thing. Maybe we can watch some TV. Maybe we can even do some internet. I don't think we're gonna do the internet, though. I don't like the internet. Internet's full of idiots. Let's see if it'll boot up. Maybe we can watch some TV. You can't even watch TV, are you... What? Can't watch TV. Can't watch TV. Okay, so that's out of the question. But you know something? This slot here seems a little bit small. I figure maybe we need some smaller media for it, so why not got this? Gotta try that one more time. I had to pick it back up. Got the mini disc. I think, I don't know if this is supposed to go like in here. Maybe it's gotta go. Here. This really tests the durability. Hey, I think that might work. Alright. Get off there. Let me go home. Open files. Does it say mini disc? Oh, what's this? What the hell? Maybe I can't do mini discs. Piece of trash. Well, maybe we could play. I got a smaller video format. Maybe we can play these. This is bad luck. Ugh, that ain't gonna work. But maybe, you know, the big discs or the little discs are just a little too little. Let's try this disc. Maybe this one will play. No, that's not doing it. It really is just completely and utterly useless. I keep saying completely and utterly useless. Maybe we can hook an iPod to it. I mean, it blends in. I'm all out of ideas. This thing's just no good. It doesn't do anything. Won't play TV, won't play movies, won't even play games. We could try another game, I guess. I hear this one's pretty good. Maybe it just doesn't like Modern Warfare 2 because it's too mature for such a young box as this one. So I got a teen game. A PlayStation. I mean it says it'll play stuff, so maybe it'll play PlayStation. Maybe I don't know if it's a media player or if it's a game. Ooh, it's a media player. Ooh. Turn down. Oh my god. Oh my god, I think we're doing it. I could feel Tomb Raider in my head. I don't think that's... We overpowered it. It won't do Tomb Raider. Alright, so Tomb Raider, I mean, if you can play games in your head, I think that might work. That might also give you voices in your head, so... It'll play Tomb Raider, won't do anything else. So... Probably belongs back in... Put Tomb Raider back in the trash. It wasn't a very good game. That was not a very good game. That was pretty upsetting. That didn't really do anything. Won't play big music. Won't even play a little music. Won't even play video 8s. Everything. All of it can just go in the trash. Everything. Why is it having a stroke? Get rid of it.